Hey, how are you today? In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to make money online by clicking ads. So you can click ads, you can make money. Believe it or not, I'm going to share with you, and I'm going to show you how you could do this. With 10 clicks per day, you can generate an income, and I'm going to show you different ways with that one website, how to earn money online. So this is a video about a website that you can make money online. So if this is your first time here, remember, like, subscribe, become a part of the family. My name is Andre, and on this channel, I talk about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and just different ways how I can share my knowledge to help as many people around the world. So let me know in the comments if you're brand new, where you're watching this video from, and for my regulars, it's always good to have you here. I appreciate each and every one of you for keep watching my videos over and over again. So remember, if this video can benefit someone, share it. Put it on your Facebook, put it on your Twitter, or share it around the world. Give it to a friend. So let's dive into it right away. So I'm going to hop over to Google, and I'm going to share with you how you can make money online doing 10 clicks, and you can make money. So the website that I'm going to be talking about is called Future Ad Pro. So I'm going to hop over to Future Ad Pro. I was just testing it out, see how it works. So this is it is a website that you can sign up for. You sign up for free. It is absolutely free. You don't need any money to sign up for it. But in order for you to earn a return, you got to put some money in it. It is normal. How are you going to make money without putting in a little bit of something? So you can start off as low as 10 FutureNet dollars. And one FutureNet dollars is equivalent to $1 US. So it's a ratio of 1 to 1. So this right here, so far, I've generated $13.69. It's not a lot, but it's a start. So if you look right here, it is necessary to click on ads regularly in order to get a commission. Not doing that will result in not receiving any commission from the platform. So that's how it works. So far today, I've watched 4 ads out of 10. You have to consistently watch 10 ads every single day for you to start getting a commission. Now, that's one way how you can earn. Now, that way will take a little bit longer than normal if you start to realize that you can make money from here, and you can get paid through this, through Pioneer, right? So once you sign up for it, you can get paid from there. You can send your money over there. So with this, I'm also going to leave a link down below. So if you want to sign up using my link, that'd be cool. You can have people on your team. So far, I have 11 people on my team already. So the more people that you have on here, the more you can also make money. So this platform, you can make money doing a lot of different things. One, you don't need to invite anybody. You could just sign up and put $10 or $50 in there if you want. Buy an ad pack and just keep watching videos over and over again. If you'd like to boost it up and you want to start to refer people to this specific website, then you can get a link. You can start to share that link. And when you share that link, people are going to sign up. Once those people start to put money in as well, like $10, you can also get a revenue from their specific, let's say it's like a rev share. This website's like rev share. So you could sign up for this dashboard. You can advertise on here as well. So people that are in network marketing, affiliate marketing, you can also advertise on here. You can put your business on here, and you can gain people that want to look at your business, and you could sign up. So this is a great way how you could use one stone to kill 2 birds. You can make money. You can also advertise on here with your business. So it's a great way how you can grow your business. And you could start off by your friends and family. If you reach to a point where your friends and family is no longer interested, there's always different ways how you can advertise, such as Quora. You can go on Quora.com. You can go into different Facebook groups. You can use Instagram, Twitter, different platforms how you can use to promote this thing. So I'm just going to share with you one of the ads and see what it looks like. So far I've watched 4 today. So I got 6 left. So I'm not going to watch all of them on this video because I don't want to make this video too long. Now, as you can see, there's different languages on these ads, but when you click on them, some of them will pop up in English. Some will pop up in different language. It's okay. This has been around for quite some time. A lot of people have been using it, and a lot of people are getting results from it. So that's where it is. It just goes all the way to the end. You can't do anything because let's say if I click on it, it's going to stop. Okay, it didn't stop. But let's say if I do that, see, it stopped. So I got to put it back. So we're just going to run all the way to the end. And when it's done, it's going to let you know that it's complete by just putting up if you want to watch the next ads or anything. So I can click on watch next ads, or I can just click on close it. And then once I close it, you see I watch 5. Once you watch all 10 ads, then it's going to turn to green. So it is going to turn to green, let you know, okay, when you need to watch the other 10 ads. So it will give you like a timeline. So if you click on where it says the profile, there's personal data, there's settings. You can create an ad if you want. If I want to create an ad, I can click on here. Just what I said earlier. You can put like your affiliate link if you're promoting. That's a good thing about this. You can write a description of what you want to say for the title. You can put in the title as well. And you can use your ad thing, and then you could click on here to preview the ad. You can target. This is good. This is coming soon. So they're setting up this like Facebook. Believe it or not, it is like Facebook where you can use the platform itself. So let me see if I can hop over here. Future. Okay. So Future Ad Pro and Future Net, they go hand in hand. They're the same different platform. So if I click on here where it says Future Net, this is like Facebook. So you're getting paid to use this platform. See, there's people on here, they're posting. There's jobs on here. There's people posting. Look at this. Everybody who know Russell Brunson. So this person right here, he's using a bit.ly link, and this person is using a bit.ly link, but they're also advertising ClickFunnels. Sorry, I had like a brain train of thought right there. I almost lose my train of thought. So look at here. There's people on here that are just posting different screenshots. There's people creating videos. People are just promoting different things. People also promote YouTube channel on here as well just to get more views. So this is like Facebook. The more people that you have on here, the better it is. So Facebook do not pay you, but this platform actually pays you to be on here. That's the good thing and the upside with this. So most people are transitioning over to Facebook. To FutureNetClub.club just to sign up. So you can post, you can write a message. I could be like, fight for your freedom. I'm just posting that. All right. So I could just go, boom. I could click send. So you can see it's going to post. Okay, send a message right here. So you see that. So I can promote this post if I want. All right, I can click on where it says love. People can start to like, comment. You always want to put a picture so people know who you are. So this person is actually promoting this. All right, I can promote it if I want. So I can click on here and I can promote it to different people. So we can reach a lot of people. So this is a great platform and you can make money. So there's a few different ways how you can do it. You can come on here. You don't have to invite anybody to make money, but you can put $10 in. You can put $50 in. If you got a little bit of money, keep watching videos. Over time, you're going to start to generate an income. So remember, use my link in the description if you guys would like to sign up. I would appreciate it. If not, it's okay. That's fine because I have like multiple streams of income. But for this, it's good. If you want to sign up, let me know that you use my link and be a part of the team. All right. So I hope this video helps. So this is how you can make money online right now. And this is a website that you can use to do that. All right. See you in the next video. Have a great day. Peace.